I'm here in Marrickville in the inner west of Sydney, and this original Workers Cottage behind me is owned by a young family, Toby and Renee, and their 2 young children. They've been renovating the whole home, but there is an issue with the floors, so I think we should go inside and take a look. So this is the problem room. As part of the renovations have taken over time, this original Workers Cottage has been completely transformed by different owners and now by Toby and Renee. One of the major issues for me is this step right in the middle of the room. It's obviously been a different room at some stage, so it's formed this little short trip step right in the traffic area. There's also another half step right at the entry to the room. So by fixing up the flooring with new flooring, we can rectify that issue and have one plane here that's level and move it to a bigger step there. And the new flooring can run right from here into the hallway. It's going to make this room very fresh. I'm here inside Flooring Extra and I'm looking for the new flooring for the Workers Cottage. Now there are so many timber options to go for, but I need one that has rich texture and is waterproof. I reckon this is the one. What a complete transformation in this room. Do you remember the problem that existed here? It was that step. And it wasn't a proper step, it was more like a trip step. Now because the whole floor in this room's been lifted and the brand new flooring's gone over the top, then now it's just a continual flooring right through into the kitchen. That fantastic hybrid flooring is so thin, it's hard wearing, you can steam mop it and wet mop it. What a practical, good looking floor for a hard working, busy family. Renovation complete.